Good morning. Dan Steno here, coming to you from Nova Computer Solutions. We're coming to you from Nepture Beach, just outside of Jacksonville, Florida, where yesterday we wrapped up our first day of the Dental Integrators Association 2022 spring meeting. It was fantastic. We had a great day of sharing knowledge and learning more about how we can help our partners and their dental technology. So as we wrapped up today, a group of us wanted to walk down on the beach to a pier that they're building not too far from here. And for those of you that know me, know that I was born in Southwest Florida, not too far from the beach, grew up close to the beach and going there all the time. But as much as I love the beach and the water, the sand, shells, salt, just not my jam anymore. So I ran up to the room, and thankfully it's a bit cooler here right now, so I put some long socks on, put a pair of jeans on, some ankle-high boots, and I thought that, you know what, I can go out there, I could walk on the beach, be pretty protected from the sand, don't have to get all dirty and come back and take a shower before dinner. Went out, walked down to the pier, was really interesting in what they're doing down there, came back, I take my shoe off, and a pound of sand falls out of my shoe. I couldn't believe it. I thought I had layers of protection. But sitting here, I realized that there was some area that had a lot deeper sand that we were walking in for a considerable amount of time, and we weren't walking on the more compact, harder sand that wasn't as fluffy and wasn't flying up as much. And I realized that a lot of our dental practices do this. They have layers of protection, but maybe some of their team don't realize that if we walk on this harder, more compact sand, we won't get all of that extra sand and garbage jumping in and on our clothes and in our shoes. The same thing can be related to what our team is doing on the internet. Are they going to websites or doing things and wasting time on the internet and potentially compromising one of those layers that we have in your practice for security? Are they evaluating an email and looking at the sender, looking at the way things are spelled prior to opening it to help protect the practice for not opening an email that's a phishing email or something that can compromise the practice? This is that area where I thought I was protected, but I was out there walking in that deep sand where it all was coming into my shoe, and I just wasn't paying attention because I wasn't thinking it through. So please, if you are concerned that your team could use some additional training so that even though you have those layers, we're helping protect even more, reach out to Nova Computer Solutions, look online and find some sort of cybersecurity training program for your team and implement it. Your team is that first line of defense. Your team is that layer of jeans. It's that long sock. It's that ankle-high boot to help protect you from that sand and all those bad things coming into your network. So hey, if you enjoyed this video, click here to like us and click here to subscribe. I'll come back with some more tips. Have a great day and take care of yourself.